Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Jomar unboxing. I ordered 10 pairs of the Nordstrom 7 and Electric Karma brand new shoes. And they actually came in the box. I didn't open the boxes, but I opened the big box that they were shipped in because it was huge and it was taped up a lot, and I had a feeling that it was going to take me a while. It was going to be a struggle on camera. Also, real quick, I did have someone ask me about this, assuming it was wallpaper. This is actually paint. For people that don't know me personally, I actually went to art school to be an interior decorator for like a year. I ended up quitting because of some other things, but I did that, so it's not like a wallpaper. But let's get into this unboxing. Okay, and I was super surprised that they all came in boxes and they're not like smashed or anything. This is the Lulu Camel colored style number Lulu Espadrille, and they are a size 9. So they look like this. They're really lightweight. And they come still stuffed and everything. That's cool. I was actually thinking that they were all going to come like loose and not in their box, but these are all in their box. Oh, and these are made out of recycled materials. I didn't know Electric Karma was made out of recycled materials. That might be backwards, but okay, these are the Lola, and they're in chocolate. They look the same, but they're a slightly different color. Oh, these are like a dark brown. These ones have more of like an embossed snakeskin kind of look. Those are cute. So are these. These are a size 9 too. So if you need some little summer shoes in a size 9, I gotcha. Let me see what's in the... Oh my gosh. Can't get the box closed. There we go. I was happy that none of them were smashed. Oh, okay. These are Electric Karma. They are a size 10. They are like super reflective. It's kind of cool. Just to slip on. My best friend would probably love these shoes, but she doesn't wear a size 10. Her and I both wear the same size shoes, which is a 7.5. These are, color is called pewter, but I would think it would be more of like a silver color. I have a real struggle finding footwear, but if you watch my last haul, I did find like 3 pairs of shoes at the thrift store that were brand new, and they look like maybe they were from TJ Maxx. But I really struggle finding shoes in my area that are worth anything or that don't look disgusting. I think like normally 70% of them are honestly trash. Okay, these are a box of 7s. And they're a black high top. Oh, they're really tiny. It's probably like a size 5, maybe 6. So, and it's got like, you can't see it with the camera, but it's got like flowers up here. It's cute. The sole, though, is really thick. I would probably fall just tripping over the sole. If anybody that knows me was watching this, like, they probably know I fall all the time. I am not, like, graceful any means. Oh, here's another pair of these. So are these. These are a 7. So I got 7s in a size 7. And I did read somewhere, like a year ago, that the most common shoe size in America for women is a 7.5. And that's funny because that's what size I wear. And the most common shoe size for men is a 10.5. But they're equally across the board, like 9, 10, 11, and 12 sell, is what the data said. So, but it's funny because my husband wears a 10.5 and I wear a 7.5, and those are supposedly the most common sizes. Okay, here's another Lulu camel colored one. This one looks like the skin is a little bit different, which I'm sure that the fake skin print is a tiny bit different, which I'm sure that they're all kind of a little different. So those are in a size 8. And I don't think these shoes are something that comes in half sizes because they're like slip-ons. Oh, and here's that same dark color again in a size 8. This one, though, does look like, oh, it's coming off. There's like a glue blob. But I think I can wipe it off with a magic eraser. I have a pair of shoes that sold yesterday, and I got to clean them up and ship them out today, and I hate cleaning shoes. Like, I know all these people keep telling me, oh, the shoes can't be that bad in your area, just clean them up a little bit, and I'm like, nope. I just don't like dealing with shoes that are grimy. Okay, here is another pair of Electric Karma. The camel Lulu, same ones. These are in a size 7 though. So if they fit, I might keep these. The little silica beads keep falling out. Can't get that box. That box did get a little crushed. It's like the only one. This is going to be a short video because there was only 10 pairs. I do have another wholesale lot coming tomorrow of Free People and I forget what the other, I think it's Calvin Klein stuff. And so I can make a video for that. Here's another pair of these high top slides that I don't like. I know it's popular, but I couldn't walk in. I mean, that's almost 2 inches thick. These are a size 8. So I have a 6, 7, and 8 in these. And then I have a 7, 8, and 9 in the camel colored slip-on, and an 8 and a 9 in the chocolate covered slip-on. And there's one more box. Let's see what these are. Oh, these are cool. These are in a size 7. So, I might ask my best friend if she wants these. She wears like a lot of band tees and like rocker stuff. She loves bands and she likes going to concerts and stuff, and these are very much her style. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got all my 10 pairs. And I did look on their website. These are still available. I think they changed the styles a little bit from what you get, but they're still available. They are a little bit more money than what I paid. They did a sale last week where you could get 15% off. And they had already marked down the shoes. So I paid $49.50 for 10 pairs of shoes. And then the shipping was $25.67. And some of the shipping costs, I know mine is calculated high because they're in Pennsylvania and I'm in Indiana. And I'm in rural route Indiana, which costs more, like through UPS and FedEx. They don't come here every day. They only come like a couple of days a week. So $25 shipping on those. So my total was $75.17. So even if I just sold like these shoes for $15 a piece, I can double my money on them. And hopefully my other box will come tomorrow and I will do another unboxing for you. If you like reseller content, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check the link below for my Poshmark closet. I currently have 1,200 listings, and I actively add stuff every week. I'm not going to do a video on everything that I get in, but I'm going to keep trying to do 1 or 2 videos a week.